Check it. First unboxing from Boxer, son. Biggest unboxing in American history. Crazy Horse Vlogs. Slaw life, motherfuckers. Let's get to this unboxing. What do we got first? We got a letter from Black Sean. Let's see what's in here. Check it out, check it out. Ooh, we got some stickers, son. High Seas tattoo stickers. Woo! Look at those, look at those. Death Before Dishonor. High Seas tattoos. Black Sean. Straight from Black Sean. I got some more, but I used them. I used a couple of them. Right there, right there. Check it, son. What else we got? What we got next? What we got next? We got some coupons from Copenhagen. Let's see. Shit's hard to open. Let's see. The pursuit of perfection is in every detail. We got some coupons from Copenhagen. Thank you. Let's see what's next. We got some coupons from Black and Mild. Sick. Buy one, get one free. Black and Mild. Let's see. Yeah. Black, buy one, get one free. Let's see what else we got. We got some coupons from Swisher Sweet. Some Swisher Sweet coupons. Some mango flavored Swisher Sweet coupons. Save $1. Let's see what we got. We got some more Black and Mild coupons. Ooh, let's see what this one says. Smooth and velvety. Oh, Swisher Sweet, Black and Mild, Sweet Spot, $1,500 Sweet Spot giveaway, and some coupons. Buy one, get one free. Coupons. Let's see what we got here. We got some coupons from Copenhagen. Let's see what we got from Copenhagen. Let's see. Oh, happy birthday card from Copenhagen. But make the years count. Happy birthday from Copenhagen. $3 off Copenhagen. Ooh. Got Skull coupon. Let's see, check it. We got some more Skull. A pinch better. Ours smooth, long-lasting flavor, where quality comes in every pinch. Some coupons. Some gray coupon. That's Crazy Horse Song. Crazy Horse Vlogs. This vlogger in the world. Let's see, we got some more coupons from Mark 10 E-Vapor. Alright, let's see. Woo. Mark 10 E-Vapor. Only $1. Get a device kit for $1 for e-cigs. See, we got some more Koal coupons. Woo! Check it out. Checking it out. Funk Show Brothers right about now. Koal, a pinch better. Whoa, where all this variety, nobody got more ways to make a dipper's day. Bunch of coupons. Oh, now time for some boxings, real unboxings. We got, let's see what we got. We got something from Black and Mild. Let's see what we got from Black and Mild. We can open it. See what we got. We got Enjoy Black and Mild Sweets. Sweet Spot. Enjoy your new phone wallet. Sweet. I got a phone wallet. Cool. Sticks to your iPhone and it's for your credit card or ID. Cool. Cool, dude. Let's see what else we got. Next package. Nice little package from Marlboro. I won the contest. Marlboro contest. You can open it. Yeah, of course I can. Because I'm Superman. Super M. Let's see what we got in this joint. Ooh. We got fresh from the shelf. Enjoy your prize. Top shelf flavor. Let's see, we got a artesian deck of cards from Marlboro. Cool. Cool. Let's see what we got. We got 2 Outdoor Lives magazines. Tight. Woo, woo. Joints now for the grand finale unboxing from Koal. I won this too. Because I got good luck. Oh, wait. Look at my fortune cookie. It says, a small lucky package is on its way to you soon. Fortune cookie. Alright, let's open this up. From Koal. From the Koal, boys. Check it. Woo! Look at these bubble makers. See what I got. See what I won. See what I won, son. See what I won. Koal. Thanks for playing. We're all about making dippers' days. Let's see. Woo. Let's see. See what I won. 3-piece barbecue tote from Picnic Time. Look, check this beast out. Woo! That's the nicest 3-piece barbecue set I ever seen. Let's see, you got a spatula. Got a nice spatula, fork, tongs, everything, son. Cool. Cool. Awesome. Thank you, Skull. Thank you, Black and Mild. Thank you, Swisher Sweet. Thank you, Copenhagen. Thank you, Marlboro. Thank you, A Black Sean. Death Before Dishonor. High Seas Tattoos for the stickers. Crazy Horse Vlogs. Biggest unboxing. Best rapper talking. Slaw life. Slaw life. Peace.